Hello my friends, how are you all doing? Welcome to my channel. Today is the 2nd of July 2025 and this is the Aussie US dollar on the 30 minutes time frame. So I've just taken a short trade and I'm here to run you through my analysis and why I went short. So on the weekly time frame, we are on a downtrend, all right? So I want to go short. And then on the 30 minutes time frame, we are on this uptrend. Okay. So what I spotted were this equal were these consolidations where we had bounce a rejection from this blue rectangle line that I have plotted. So as you can see, we were uptrending and then we came to the price. We started rejecting this area. Okay. So from my experience, what I know is once we break out with a big candle like this, then you expect traders to come into the market. All right. So they have not come into the market and then we've retraced, then we have more buyers coming into the market. And then we also consolidated at the top right here. So what happened here, yeah, on a bigger scale was then happening here on a smaller scale. All right. So we traded, we broke out. Long traders came into the market. We retraced. More buyers came into the market. All right. So although we did break out slightly here, we then closed back, retraced on the same level, we started rejecting again. All right. So again, we broke out, buyers came into the market. And what I spotted above this consolidation level or zone was a supply zone right there on the lower time frame. So what I did was I dropped down to 5 minutes time frame just to identify the supply zone. Just note that I do not trade lower time frames, yeah, but because of what I saw, um, because of what I saw um, on the weekly time frame, downtrending, so I decided to look for opportunities to take a sell trade on the lower time frame. Okay, so on the 5 minutes time frame, just zoom that out for you. So on the 5 minutes time frame, I identified this rally, base, and the drop. Yeah. So this was my 5 minutes supply zone that I identified. So what I then did was I waited patiently for market to come into the 5 minutes supply zone. Yeah. And I went short. Yeah. So I went short 25 minutes ago. All right. So my stop is just above the supply zone. All right. And my take profit is right. So let's go back to sorry, not 1 minute. Let's go back to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so my take profit is right at this bigger support and resistance level. Okay, so I believe that possibly the market will drop down, yeah, retraced before pushing lower. Okay, so yeah, so what I want to do is to take the profit here because again this is a minute demand zone. This is a demand zone. We had this drop, we had this base, and we had this rally. So there's a possibility that the market will drop down and then use this demand zone zone, this demand zone, to pull back here to act as a retracement before a push down. All right. So if I see this happen, I'll look to take a sell trade. Yeah. So I'm gonna take profits, my take profit here, and then I wait for retracement. Yeah. Um, to join the trade. I'll show you something also quickly. This is also a zone. Yeah. Yeah. So as you can see, we had this bounce up, bounce up, and then we broke to the downside. Yeah. So possibly we'll have a breakdown, and then we use this level as a stop hunt. Yeah. To come to push the market down. All right. So this is what I'm looking at on this Aussie USD. So I've just taken a short trade. Yeah, we'll come back to conclude the video hopefully tomorrow or on Friday. All right. So I'll see you on the other side. Safe trading. Hello traders. I'm back again to conclude the Aussie USD trade. So this trade was taken yesterday. I didn't, to be honest with you, I didn't think it would take this short to complete. But here we are. The profit um, has been achieved. All right. So this trade was taken on this 5 minutes time frame, like I explained. So that was the supply zone that we took the profit. Sorry, we took the trade at. Where are my tools? Where are you? Okay, so that was the supply zone that we took the trade, and then that was our stop. So our stop was about, let's make it 4 pips. And yeah, our profit was 33 pips. So that's over 10 to 1 risk to reward trade that I just took. Yes, the profit has been achieved. Okay, so like I said in the video, so what I'm waiting for um, is a pullback, and then if I see that, I would take a sell. All right. So the demand zone that I did identify was taken out. Yeah. So this zone has been taken out, and this is our supply zone responsible of removing this demand zone. All right. So all you need to do is wait for a pullback to this supply zone. Yeah. So we want to see. I just remove that. We don't need that. So all we need to see is this to pull back to the supply zone. Yeah, and then you look to take a sell trade. All right. So this is where I will look to take a sell if we manage to get a pullback into the supply zone. Then I'll go short. All right. Okay. All right. Yeah. So this is it. I hope it makes sense. Any questions? Please do ask. All right. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Bye bye.